Hi, this is Nabina, and a short message for my fellow warrior heading Delhi, just giving MSc Nursing entrance examination. So, my future specialist, I know your bag is already packed, and most of you are just now traveling in train or waiting for train. Your mind is going very faster, your heart is beating very fast, but just take a deep breath because you already won the half battle by showing you up. You are not going to give just an exam, you are going to claim a seat. You worked for hard for which seat. So some advice I want to give you, that which I faced or observed during my time. So already I think you all reached in the exam center day before your exam. So I think better you take a hotel near the your institution where you get in your admit card, or otherwise you can do one thing, that you reached tomorrow, okay, and exam is the day after tomorrow. So you just go and visit the place, see the transportation system is what are the available is there, and just because what happened, there is 3 or 4 school in the same name. At my time there was 3 school at the same area and the same name, so it is very confusing at the exam day. So before exam you just go and check the place, check your school where your seat they given. The second thing, that in the exam day reached there before 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours ago, because what happened at my time I observed there is 600 students they allotted for this school. So what happened, there are too many checking was there. First they have checking you, then after that there are different biometric tests like your face, your eye scan, your thumb. So you have to stand in line. So think, the students who are coming late, they are the most sufferer for that day, because they have to stand more than 1 hour in a line. They are in, you know, in Delhi their summer condition, their summer is very bad, no humidification is there, no sweating is there, just it's like that you are burning in a like a barbecue. So better that go early, and when they start to take entry into the school, at that time you try to stand in front of the line. Then I think you will early take entry into the computer and sit, because it is better to sit in the AC room than standing for long time for biometric test. And sometime if biometric is not happen, some problem is there, then you have to stand again, they will do second time, third time. Next things, that keep your all ID card and the admit card night before the exam. Be prepared with all of these, don't forget to take any of these things. And some of the students, they travel alone, so they have to keep money, so they allowed you in the center in the center with the money, no problem, but they don't allow you with the changes, so you can keep note, okay. And other thing is, for girls especially, don't use this scratchers clip, okay. They take it off, this all the clip. Try to make a braid in your hair, then they will not open your braid. And other thing, the girl who used to the hair with a clip, catcher clip, na, they take it off, and in whole summer day you have to give your exam with your open hair. So better maintain all the dress code. And other thing is that don't carry like soap, paper, sanitizer, because previous time many students I saw they borrow this thing, they will not allow this thing. Don't wear any kinds of imitation, okay, during checking, again it is a problematic. So follow all the rules they wrote in the admit card previously. And before going the exam, had your breakfast, because it take a long time from starting to biometric to end of the exam, okay, it sometimes take a long time. And the other thing is the must and the necessary thing, that please sleep adequate before going to the exam. You can also carry pen, but okay, they will give the pen in the center only. There is water system, they will give you the bottle, so no problem, you can manage all these things in the center only. So I think this is the high time for you, so don't be so stressed, be motivated, one day is there. So best of luck to all of the students who are going to give MSc exam. So bye friends.